Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on Adobe Premiere Pro. If you're new to the software or even if you have used it before, this breakdown of the layout and introduction will help you to navigate through various components and features with ease. To begin, let's familiarize ourselves with the layout of Adobe Premiere Pro. The interface consists of several key sections, each serving a specific purpose in editing process. First, at the bottom of the interface, you'll find the media section. This is where all of your clips, graphics, sequence, and pre-nested clips are organized. It displays the information such as name, frame rate, and start time of the media. You can scroll through your media stack and import new clips into your project right here. Once you create a sequence, which is essentially your timeline, it will appear in the edit sequence section. Here, you can position your clips, arrange audio layers, add titles, and build your project by stacking different elements on top of each other. The top section of the interface is dedicated to the preview window. This is where you can see the generated preview of your project. You can play through the timeline, skip frame by frame, take screenshots, and review the final results. The preview window is where you piece together all the components of the project. Now that we have an overview of the layout, let's delve into the functionalities of each section and understand their roles in the editing process. In the media section, you can import and organize your media files. It's not just limited to video clips but also includes graphic sequence and pre-nested clips. You can double-click a clip to open it in the source window, where you can make adjustment or start it from a specific point. This section allows you to manage your media efficiently. The edit sequence section is where you build your project. You can arrange clips, add audio layers, insert titles, and create the desired composition on your timeline. You have the flexibility to stack clips on top of each other, adjusting their position and duration as needed. The preview window is where you can view the progress of your project. It displays the final result of your editing efforts. You can play with the timeline, navigate frame by frame, and evaluate the composition. This window provides a visual representation of your project. Remember this. Adobe Premiere Pro offers several additional features and tabs to enhance your editing process. Let's explore some of them. Source and effects control. When you click on a clip in the timeline or in the media tab, the source window opens, allowing you to make further adjustment to the selected clip. Additionally, the effects control provides extensive options to modify the effects applied to the clip. We'll explore these features in detail in later episodes of the course. The audio mixers and the metadata sections are less frequently used but still important. Audio mixers allow you to adjust the audio levels and apply effects to achieve the desired sound quality. Metadata provides additional information about the media files which can be useful for organization and search purpose. Did you notice on top of the menu bar you'll find various tabs that offer additional functionalities? First, Edit tab. This tab provides essential editing options such as copying, pasting, and modifying clips. Effects tab. Here you can choose from a wide range of effects and presets to enhance your footage. You can access this tab directly from the Edit tab or use the dedicated Effects tab for it. Third, Audio tab. While primarily focused on Adobe stock audio, this tab offers additional audio-related features. If you prefer using your own audio, you may not utilize this tab extensively. Fourth, Graphics tab. The Graphics tab contains a very vast library of templates and presets for motion graphics. You can import premium templates and create visually appealing graphics to enhance your video. Libraries. The Libraries section provides a collection of reusable assets, but it's not a primary focus in this tutorial. The File and Edit button. The File and Edit buttons in the top menu bar offer standard option for managing your projects. You can save your projects, import any media, or export any media, and perform other file-related operations. Workspace and layout customization. Adobe Premiere Pro allows you to customize your workspace to suit your preferences and to make it easy for you to operate it. If you accidentally rearrange elements and want to restore the default layout, go to Window, Workspaces, Reset to Saved Layout. This ensures you are always working with the optimal layout for editing. Understanding the layout and navigation of Adobe Premiere Pro is essential for efficient video editing. So that's it for today. We'll see you in the next episode. Click here and access the full course for free.